Hello guys, I'm Robsuki guys, and today this is my first video in Animal Jam, and I am going to be playing Spring Festival. So anyways, let's start. So guys, I found this first egg here. I'm gonna find the others. Gonna try, what I'm gonna get though. Oh good, another one. And I'm so good at finding eggs. I know, like, they're just lying around. Of course, they're very easy to find. Another one. I think I saw one here. Yeah, here we go. I didn't bring a water pot. Oh, look, another one there. Okay, I'm just gonna... Wait, guys. And I'm back. Sorry for that, guys. And anyways, yeah, I found another one. And another one. And whoa, look guys, there's like a spider here. Creepy. Wait guys. Yeah, I found another one. It's so easy to find since they're all just lying in the ground. Oh wait, I found one here. And we're back again. Wait, oh, okay, eat this. Oh yeah. So, wait. Okay, so let's see where our reward is. Mushrooms. I'm sorry guys, but I want you to start out. Yeah, thanks. I found the one. Whoa, look. Yay, 100 gems. Small. But fine. Man, this takes so long. Too long. Wait, I hate the sounds, guys. I'm gonna have to, mute. So, here is, I found another egg. You guys, I found another egg. So, yeah. And I found another egg. And another. Yeah, I got it for 28. Oh, yes, baby. I got another chest, which is still 100. Ugh. Anyways, yeah. found another one, you guys. Yes. No, why do they have terrible items? I'm really gonna need all of them though, actually. And I found another one. So, yes. Yep, found a... Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna try finding a... something, guys. But I think it needs water, though. Yeah, maybe it needs water. I don't possibly know. So maybe it needs water. I'm not trying to find water. Yeah, I think I found water here. Well, thank you. Oh, great. Daffodil flower bed. Yes, I don't need those, guys. Okay, I found another egg. It's purple egg. Purple or violet, whatever. Gonna put water in this one. Flower in the vase. Discard that. I'm sorry, but I don't like that. Anyways. Yep, we helped. No. Really? Man. Oh, look. I'm gonna go down for a sec. Go down. Oh, wait, no. I found another one. And another, I'm guessing this is another 100 gems. Yes, it definitely is another 100 gems. Oh, I found a chest. Nice. Gonna go there, guys. Gonna go claim that chest. I mean, like, chests, those kind of chests are for all jammers, though. Gonna claim it. Claim it, bro. Claim it. I'm gonna claim it. Wait, before that, I'm gonna get this first. And this. And this. Accept it. 100 gems. And okay, here we go. Another gem. I mean, another egg, not gem. There's really a lot of hidden spring eggs here. So we found an egg, and we also found this. Petunia flower bed, no. Yes. Anyways, guys, when it's gonna come to 65, I'm gonna end this, so it's almost done. So yeah. So 5 more to finish finish this video off. My very first video off. I mean, my very first Animal Jam video off to end this. Man, it really is no fun though. Okay, I just found this. And an egg. And an egg. So, yep. Yes. So, guys, I am going to have to end this video right here, right now. So, guys, I hope this was very helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed it. So, yes. Bye.